Kaspa is pumping now, emergency. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris, and today we're about to speak for what happened in the Kaspa price since yesterday. Also, we will see the rank, the market cap, the hash rate, the categories of the top 10 addresses. Then we're gonna move to the technical side of Kaspa and also into the technical side of Bitcoin. And we will close the video, guys, with the current situation of Kaspa, how high actually this pump can end up, okay, in what position maybe we will get, or what's gonna happen if Bitcoin will collapse and if we won't see actually in the short term the BTC ETF approval. So we will speak for all of these things in this video, and if you are interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before continuing, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you're going to see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you're a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel, because daily I upload Kaspa videos where I try to educate you and inform you with the latest news around Kaspa and around the crypto space. So a subscription to my channel is going to be very beneficial for you. And without losing more time, let's get back to the video, guys, and start with the Kaspa price that today we are standing above 14 cents area. We are actually 2.3% up since yesterday, and more precisely before a couple minutes, hours, we reached the 15 cents area. As you can clearly see, that was very bullish, okay, for the beginning of the day. But guys, I have to tell you that if you look the Bitcoin chart, that it's happening exactly as I was expecting. If you go back in my videos, you will see that I told you if Bitcoin will pump above $40,000, and actually if Bitcoin will reach $42,000, that is really bullish. Okay, this kind of move of Bitcoin is really bullish. It's actually, as you can clearly see, it seems that we broke this ascending triangle and we moved straight into the technical price target. And I told you that if this is going to happen, Kaspa will move straight into this technical price target of this symmetrical triangle. Okay, we will see these things in the TA side. So right now we would like to focus more into the market cap that is 3.1 billion and into the rank that right now we are at rank 25. If we will go and see our competitors, guys, it's happening exactly as I told you. We are moving straight to the position of a rank 23. Okay, rank 22. So yeah, we have chances actually to flip Stellar, Leo token, and OKB, that is the OKX token. Guys, if we will see fundamental news and a potential top tier 1 exchange that will list in spots Kaspa. But as we don't see this news, I told you that I believe the maximum target here is to touch the technical price target of this symmetrical triangle. That is maximum that I can say 16 cents. Okay, I don't believe that we're going to surpass that and get to 17 cents with this current pump. And as you can clearly see, even now that Bitcoin is standing at $42,000, Kaspa is already in exhaustion. The retail investors cannot pump the price of Kaspa even more than it is. As I tell you right now, maximum is 16 cents. Okay, we can reach a new 88s, but I believe this is maximum. I believe retail investors don't have more power. We need like as an emergency to see top tier exchange, because this top tier exchange obviously will have to do a multi-million investment to buy Kaspa coins and open the doors for retail investors to buy massively. Don't forget that the majority of the crypto holders are holding their cryptos in crypto exchanges, and unfortunately this is the truth. Okay, anyway, this is gonna open big doors. I mean, if institutional investors and more precisely centralized exchanges, top tier 1 exchanges will list Kaspa in spots, we're gonna open also more doors for retail investors to pump further. Okay, if we would be right now in all top tier exchanges, yes, we could have a potential to see a pump to 20 cents. Right now that we are actually, as you can clearly see, only in those exchanges, it's like impossible to do something like that. And also from the institutional investor side, I think they find really unattractive this kind of market cap and price of Kaspa to invest multi-millions into that price. I don't say that this is impossible. It's just rational thought and only. Okay, someone maybe can do it, but I believe that their competitor is gonna dump on him. Okay, it's gonna be like a pump and dump, pump to 20 cents and dump to 10 cents if someone is so bold to do that. Anyway, that's the reality from my side. Okay, everything can happen, as I told you. Right now, the situation is moving, as I told you. Kaspa is moving alongside with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin will drop, Kaspa will drop. If Bitcoin will pump further, Kaspa will pump a little bit further too, but not so big percentage up as I told you. Because don't forget, 3.1 billion is not low market cap. To spike the price more into double or whatever, to pump to 30 cents to 25 cents, we will need to see like 2 more billion from a market cap side. So as you understand, we need lots of demand, and the demand means multi-million investment into Kaspa with a current total supply to spike the price up. That's quite difficult. Okay, let's move straight into the hash rate, because hash rate today is in a new 88, 91.23 petahash per second. We are moving straight to 3 digits. Really bullish the current situation of hash rate. I told you that as we're gonna see more ASICs to be plugged in, hash rate gonna explode, and right now is in explosion. And the current hash rate is 81.75 petahash per second. Really bullish. We are stable above 80 petahash per second. Is very bullish computational power, very soon above 100 petahash per second, and that's gonna be stable. It's gonna be ideal to welcome furthermore adoption. And guys, don't forget the next reduction of Kaspa, that is in 2 days. Kaspa monthly reduction is really bullish. Okay, it's seriously really bullish and really smart how rapid and smart is the emission schedule of Kaspa. Next reward, 147 Kaspa coins, and that's awesome. Let's move straight into the addresses, because as you can clearly see, since yesterday we noticed couple more addresses, like approximately 700 more addresses is the number that added here in the total addresses so far. Crab addresses, the last 24 hours had an increment of 80 plus addresses. Octopus addresses are 165 more. Fish addresses 103 more. Dolphin addresses 45 more. Shark addresses 6 more. And this is actually the distribution of the new addition of wallets. And from the top 10 addresses, as you can clearly see, we remain as yesterday. Okay, 960 million Kaspa coins in this KuCoin wallet, 674 million Kaspa coins on this Get.io wallet, 456 million Kaspa coins on this Mixi wallet, and 357 million Kaspa coins on this Uphold wallet. As you can clearly see, guys, in the top 10 addresses, we're almost in the same position as yesterday. Very few additions into these wallets. Okay, don't forget, you go and liquidate KuCoin. Okay, so let's go straight into the Kaspa technical side, because as you can clearly see, and as I told you, we had here a symmetrical triangle. I told you that this broke to the upside, so we had the technical price target approximately at 16 cents area, within 17 cents area. This was actually the target. I told you that the maximum that I can potentially see that can pump from only retail investors, because right now I think it's impossible for an institutional investor to pump the Kaspa price from these prices, because his competitors are actually gonna wreck him. So I believe that the maximum here is the 16 cents if Bitcoin will continue even more further to the upside. Otherwise, I see like an exhaustion to this buying pressure as it's happening right now. Maybe we won't see any further more pump, maybe. Okay, or if we're gonna see, it's gonna be up to 16 cents and then back for a retest of this support. I believe, guys, we are very close to retest this massive crucial uptrend support. I believe we're gonna retest that, and if Bitcoin will do a reversal, that's gonna be a very big reversal for Kaspa too. I believe 10 cents gonna happen if Bitcoin will reverse. Okay, be ready for that. And if we're gonna break this uptrend support and Bitcoin confirm this kind of reversal and it's gonna move into the downside, then guys, Kaspa has a technical support at the previous resistance that is at 0.09293 cents. I believe this is going to be massive buying pressure and selling pressure at the same time. So here maybe we're going to have some consolidation phase with a couple ups and downs on the price of Kaspa. So we will observe that. Okay, and if Bitcoin will collapse further to $30,000 and create furthermore fear, especially if we see any kind of news like the early days of January that the BTC ETF approvals won't be approved at all, at least in January, that's gonna cause like big drop into Bitcoin back to $31,250, and that's obviously gonna put the Kaspa back to this fat line. Okay, worst case scenario here 7 cents, more likely scenario 0.075 cents within 0.085 cents. Okay, this is how I believe is going to happen the situation if we're going to see the reversal from the Bitcoin side. But don't forget that if in January we will see exactly what everyone is expecting to see, approvals into BTC ETFs, maybe we'll start the bull run, guys, even earlier than the BTC halving. Okay, obviously because we're gonna see lots of multi-billions to come into the space, and the price of Bitcoin will explode into new 88s almost like in a couple days. So as you understand, this is really bullish, and this is why Bitcoin is pumping right now, because the hype of the BTC ETF approvals will be approved. Okay, so that's what's happening here. And guys, don't forget to check my Patreon group, because Kaspa is spamming right now, and as more is spamming, the less space for growth it's gonna have. So I decided, after a big request of the other members of WealthNet, to start searching altcoins with very big potential. Already I have my second strongest conviction that's already 4 times up since we bought. Okay, this was actually my only altcoin that I had in WealthNet, but recently I added 2 more very good altcoins that we are right now in accumulation. And if you would like to accumulate right now before the explosion of those 2 altcoins, of those 2 layer 1s, I recommend you to join now, and before actually everyone speaks about those. Okay, especially one is really strong. I believe a lot to that project, and I believe it's gonna outperform Kaspa in the short term, mid-term, and maybe long term, because it's quite new, so it's going to have even bigger potential than Kaspa now. So that's going to allow us to buy more Kaspa without performance of those cryptos. And I have 2 more gambling picks for those who interest to gamble a little bit more. If you would like to join now. WealthNet is a group that is designed to help you build a proper crypto investing mindset. We have private live streams. We have lots of fun inside. We build friendships, and we have very great vibes. And in WealthNet, guys, for those who don't know, it's a Discord community with like-minded people, like-minded investors, crypto YouTubers, crypto experts, whatever you can imagine, millionaires, multimillionaires, business owners. We have absolutely everything. And in WealthNet, you will learn from experienced people who have already succeeded in this crypto field and right now enjoy a wealthy life, and you will get a guidance to avoid any probable mistake that you probably will do if you are new here on this space, or if you don't have that big experience so far. So highly recommended to move with sharks, with pack of sharks, and not pack with streams. And for the people who ask me, Chris, where you store your Kaspa, where you store your cryptos, guys, my recommendation here is cold storage, hands down. I recommend you Tadgem wallet is the best one in its field. With the discount code CryptoChris, you will have 10% off in your purchase. Click here the link of Tadgem, up right in the corner, press get Tadgem. It's gonna put you in that page, and I recommend you the 3-card set is way safer. Don't forget to write here the promo code CryptoChris to get the 10% off in your purchase. Okay, if you press here CryptoChris, you will have the 10% off in your purchase. Don't forget to use the promo code to sleep well at night. Okay, that's the video. Thank you so much for your support. Appreciate you for every like and every comment, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Until my next video, your boy Chris out. Bye.